What's up guys, it's Harry here with StudentUniverse. I wanted to share with you the top 5 items that I brought on my backpacking trip to Europe. Number 1 item on my list, insulated water bottle. I have a hydro flask. This thing keeps water cold for 24 hours, keeps things warm for like 12 hours. Trust me, when you wake up in the middle of the night parched in a hostel, all you want to do is roll over, pick this up. There's going to be cold water in it. Great for traveling, great for camping. This is the best $40 water bottle that you can buy. Next item up is a power strip. Got 3 American slots on it, 4 USB slots, which are crucial. And it comes with a cord that's already European 2-prong. My next favorite item, another power option, portable charger. This is an Anker charger. Anker is a brand, incredibly long lasting. This one is a bit bigger. They make them in various sizes. It's got 3 USB ports. This thing will charge your phone like 18 times over, especially if you're on a train or a plane, out walking around for the day and your phone needs a little bit of extra juice. Pop one of these in your bag. Moving right along, we've got something that's a little bit old school, but I really liked, my travel journal. It's nothing quite like putting pen to paper, writing down your thoughts on the trip, something that you can look back on. This is a really solid item to pick up. When you're traveling across multiple countries, if you're in Europe, most of the time it's going to be the euro, but say you pass through Switzerland, it turns to francs. You want a currency conversion app so that you know how much your money is worth in other places. I use this XC app. You can type in a number on any one of them and it'll show you the updated conversions across all of the currencies that you want to know about. It's a great way to make sure that you're not spending too much money, which is easy to do when you're on vacation. Honorable mention for items to bring is a clothesline. Air drying things is huge in Europe. People just like don't have dryers. I know, people in America are hearing this, their head's gonna explode. Clothesline is a great item to have. So that's what I've got as far as the vital items that you should be thinking about bringing on your European backpacking adventure. If you want to buy any of these items for yourself, I'll post the links below in the comments. These things will come in handy almost every single day. Water bottle, power strip with USB ports, portable battery, currency conversion application, which is free by the way, a travel journal. Don't forget to bring a pair of shades too. See you guys later.